Welcome to Hen Bay. Hey YouTube, it's your boy Daysack, and today we're in Hampton Pier next to Hen Bay on the south side of England, close to Canterbury. I've been looking for camping spots since I got my tent box light and always want to get close to the shore. A mate told me about this location, so I decided to come and check it out with my mate Shady. So come with me, let's do this.
Lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love.
Also, as it stands, it's not free parking. Yeah, charges from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. If you have a Ringo, it's good for you. It's about £3.50 the whole day, and it's quite quiet pier or bay. So let's do this. Shady, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you cold?
Yeah, a little bit. It's a windy day, so it's quite cold.
Yeah. So what are you expecting from this mini camping?
Well, I'm just hoping to have a quiet time and to see what's going on in Hen Bay.
Okay, cool. I'm looking forward to seeing the sunset as well. So let's see. Let's take it up in the air. Let's see what this place has to offer.
High sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air-conditioned blues. Could use some too. A little bit of summer
Well, as you guys can see, we're all set up, you know, pitched camp here. It's quite breezy. You can see we are really close to the beach. I'm quite scared that at night, you know, the sea is gonna come all the way towards the car, because when you see on the floor here, it looks kind of wet. But yeah, really looking forward to it.
lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that.
So yeah, It's about 10 p.m. We got some pizza and we're trying to warm it up on our makeshift tent. How you feeling, Shady?
Oh, I'm excited, you know.
Yeah.
It's quite cold out here. It's a very, very windy night.
Yeah.
But it's a beautiful scene, you know. I'm really enjoying the whole scenery.
Is it your first time camping?
Camping, well, apart from Boy Scout times, yeah, this is my first time out here in the wild camping.
So a quick one. Do you think black boys don't camp?
Black boys camp. I said, you know, when I was a Boy Scout, we used to camp in those forests in Ghana, Dodowa Forest and so on and so forth. But it was more, I mean, we didn't have all these fancy stuff like
$10 and that.
Nah, we didn't have like $10 and stuff.
Wow.
Yeah, it was fun as well. That was a really long time ago. But yeah, Black Boys Camp.
Black Boys Camp. Well, you heard from Shady, Black Boys Camp. It's quite windy here, but the tent box is holding really good. Quite chilly winds, but it's quite warm inside. So hopefully we'll stay warm till tomorrow morning when we catch the sunrise.
And I could
Is it good to go? Oh.
a cure for the air conditioned blues. Could use some too. A little bit of sunlight.
Hey guys, so we're getting ready for bed. My man is still on his phone. What are you saying? It's about 9 degrees Celsius outside. It's proper cold with crazy winds. You can hear the sea waves. The tent is actually quite warm. Surprised. This is the first time I'm using it in the very cold weather. So yeah, we'll call it a night and we'll see. Hopefully we can catch the sunrise. So we'll see you all tomorrow. That's what you're saying to them.
Good night, guys. Catch you tomorrow.
Yeah. Catch you tomorrow.
We get nowhere fast when the car.
Morning, guys. First morning at Hembe. The wind is not forgiving. It's 6:30 and let's try and see if we can catch some sunrise. Just see Shady up. What you say, Waji? You're right.
Windy night.
Windy night, he says. Let's go and see if we can catch some sunrise. Morning, guys. Beautiful, isn't it? The tent box held well. As you can see, we're right in front of
Remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you.
there are no words to describe it. You know, even though we're starting the winter, it's not that bad. It's just windy, but sunrise is gorgeous. Sunset was absolutely beautiful, and this is a location I highly recommend if you have a camper van, you have a tent box, or you just want to pitch camp with your tent at the beach. Really, really beautiful. Can't recommend it enough.
A cure for the air conditioned